Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a tune-up report for my friend Curt up in Michigan on this RCI-2995DX. This is one of the older units. It's got two 1446 transistors in the amplifier. It's got the 30 amp upgraded power supply. We upgraded the gauge wire, some bigger Teflon wire going to the amp section for virtually zero voltage drop. Did our tuning alignment, voltage regulator upgrade, as well as the ultra bright white LEDs. Got rid of the wheat lamps. Now, I sent Curt a private video before. After you passed about a 20 watt carrier, you had nothing but backward swing. Your peak power was showing, a good 200 or close to 2.25, but you didn't have any average, Curt. So let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 100 watt slug. It's set down to 5 watts per Curt's instructions, so that Curt can set that anywhere he wants when he runs an amplifier. 50 watts all the way up. Now let's see if we got forward or backward swing. Hello, 100 bird. 250 watt slug on the peak side. Hello. That's all I'll say is 250 in the corner. RF power all the way down. I got a little bit of background, but you get the idea. 1, 2, 3. All right, Curt. I really hope you enjoy this, and I most definitely appreciate your patience. Been very kind. From your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.